connect all the cables and wiring for the back glass down in the playfield. So there's a few cables coiled up sitting on that were inside of the back glass cabinet. One is the power cable. Just take your side cutter, cut off that zip tie, and then take the power cable, pass it down through the access hole between the back glass and the playfield, and then plug it into one of the green power strip outlets in the back of the cabinet. Next, you'll grab the DisplayPort cable that comes off the back of the TV. There's only one HDMI port in the back of the TV, so just make sure that it's plugged in securely there. Pass it down through the other access hole, and then there should be one open spot on the graphics card right above the playfield. And you'll plug the cable in to that spot. Then we have the audio cable. Same thing, cut the zip tie with your side cutter. Pass it down through the access hole. Plug it into the blue port on the back of your PC here. There's an extension cable that comes off the side. So it comes out of the green speaker panel into this line filter, and you plug that extension into there. Just tuck it in underneath the Wi-Fi antenna. And then right down here next to those speaker wires are the outputs that run from the amplifier to the speakers in the top of the back glass. So you'll cut that zip tie off, and that will run power for the lights that are around the speakers, as well as the speaker connections themselves. So those are labeled left. So that's this side. You get turned around in the back here. And they are keyed, so they only fit in one position. And then the other side goes up over here on the right. There you go. All right, there's one connector left. It's for the backlight and the marquee. That's tucked down on the right-hand side of your playfield. Cut the zip tie on that. And there's going to be two connectors on that. You'll pass them up through the access panel. The short end, you're going to plug into this board that's sitting in the back glass. Again, it's keyed, it only fits one way. And then the second one goes up to the top and plugs into the light. And that is it. Lastly, we'll plug in the power cord. Pretty straightforward. Just uncoil it, and then it fits in. And you can do this at any time. This doesn't have to be while the back panels are off. It's just easier in the event that you run into a problem if you do it now. And that just pushes in and sits securely there. If you're setting this up in your home, that you're going to be using it and not moving it, that it's tied to your Steam account, and you want to make sure that it's in the circle position, so circle pushed in. If it's in the horizontal bar position, that means it's turned on, and if the demo mode is turned on, you're going to get an experience that's set up for our retail customers. Now you can reassemble the black trim pieces that you removed and fire up the game.